Hello, this is Nezaket again. I'd like to select some activities from the activity pool and what I think I might need in the future. I'll choose according to my needs for designing a course. Let me start with something I may find useful. For example, there is e-voting. I think it may be useful to have surveys or to get ideas. For example, name of the pool or name of the poll, it may be something like, okay, needs analysis, and I want to save and return to course. It says return a value. It expects me to complete it, but I don't want to complete it right now. So I will cancel and return to the course. Okay, so let me try another one which doesn't require a lot of work. For example, fair allocation can be a useful tool, but maybe it's not the best time to use it right now. I think forum will be very useful. But before forum, I'd like to look at an interactive tool where I can show a video and participants can answer questions or take part actively in the video, in answering the questions, I mean. So interactive content is something that might be useful. Okay, when I look at it, I see that it has interactive videos, question sets, or multiple choice questions, presentations, and much more. I think it will be very useful. Let's keep this. Let's add this to my list. The thing is, because I'm just exploring, it takes time to give names to these. Adding a new interactive content, let's say use of Moodle tools, and I want to return to the course. Save and return. Let's see if it does it. You must select a content type, it says. A content type, let's see where it is. So here, the content type I'd like to choose is interactive video. So I'm going down to save. Okay. So another activity I want to have is, let me choose another activity. Here, all these games can be very interesting, and I'd like to explore them further. And I'd like to explore Glossary as well. It may be useful to have short descriptions of the tools. And why don't I include it right now? Okay, add, let's say, name Glossary for what happened? Okay, Glossary for Moodle apps. Okay, and required fields. Is there anything else I need to write? I've written the name. Okay, save and return to course. Okay, so it accepted just giving the name. That's good. Let's explore more. What else can be useful for me? And here I feel that quiz can be quite useful. And I'd like to also explore the book format because it can organize the content really well. Let me see if it will allow me. Okay, let's say session 1. What happened? It went down. Let me write again. Session 1. And here, I hope it will accept without giving any more information. Save and return to course. Okay, did it? Yes, I have everything, but actually I need to explore this further. I'm just including the activities I may need in the future. So forum is quite important, I think. Have I added forum? No. This is good for discussions, reflection, and yeah, I lost it. Reflection and discussions. Let's see if it will allow me again. And yes, I seem to have some useful tools here. What else may I need? The survey may not be useful because I checked that and then it gives me only multiple choice questions. I need to explore that further. This one doesn't seem to be very useful. Maybe I've just seen something else. Where is it? E-voting. I want to explore e-voting as well. So name of the poll, let's say awareness raising. Awareness. Whenever I don't know what I'm doing, suddenly I just moved to another section. Awareness raising, and the topic can come later. For example, awareness raising. I cannot decide right now. Let's move on and let's see if it will allow me. What kind of questions? It says multiple choice again. Displays description on course. Okay, questions. I need to write the questions. But I don't want to have multiple choice questions. That's why it may create some problems, or I need to explore it further because I want to have word clouds, for example. I can't see it here. So let's say I will cancel this one. Okay. And one more thing. Let's look at another activity. Here I have a question, so I may ask my questions to Nelly later. I don't want to take your time right now. Okay, so let's go down, add an activity. What else can I find useful? So labeling, I don't know what it is. It may be useful to investigate this one. The label module enables text and multimedia to be inserted into the course page in between links to other resources and activities. Labels are very versatile and can help to improve the appearance of a course if used thoughtfully. So this is something really useful. They may be used to split up a long list of activities with a subheading or an image. I think I need this to display an embedded sound file or video directly on the course page. That's also very good. To add a short description to a course section. Wow, I certainly need this. Okay. Label text, let's say introduction to the course. Introduction to the course, and I may have objectives as well here. maybe both of them can be given together. Let's see. Save and return to course. I guess that's right for the time being. Thank you so much for being with me.